Del u by del x, this is the x term, and this is the x term. So we get del u by del x at constant y is equals to t into del s by del x at constant y, and this sign is the minus, and minus p into del v by del x at constant y. Second form, del u by del y at constant x is equals to t into del s by del y at constant x minus p into del v by del y at constant x. So we get the two equation. So this equation has the number 4 number equation and 5 number equation. Okay. After comparing coefficient of x and or dx and dy, here we write dx and dy and dy. We get the two equation number 4 and equation number 5. So differentiate equation 4 with respect to y. Then again differentiate equation 4. This is x variable. So therefore differentiate equation 4 with respect to y, and equation 5 with respect to x. We get again two equations, that is first equation del square u by del x into del y, because there is a function of y, is equals to t. Here there are two terms, that is first term is the t and second number is the del s by del x at, with constant y. So here apply product rule for the differentiation, that is first one is the, firstly we differentiate t. So we get with respect to y, so we get del t by del y into del s by del x at constant y. Okay, and again with respect to constant, here differentiating with respect to y with constant x, and again we differentiate t into differentiation of this, that is plus t into del square s by del x into del y with constant y. Okay. Then again next term, that is minus p into, then p, and there are again two terms, so apply product rule, that is del p by del y with constant x into del v by del x with constant y minus p into del square v by del x del y with constant y. So this is the equation number. We don't write here equation number. So this is the differentiation of equation 4. Then again differentiation of equation 5. Same as that of the equation number 4. Differentiation of equation 5, that is del square u by del y into del x with proper x, means constant x, is equals to del t by, we differentiate with respect to x, therefore del t by del x into at constant y into del s by del y with constant x plus t into del square s by del y into del x with constant x minus del p by del x with constant y into del v by del y with constant x minus p into del square v by del y into del x with constant x. So this is the equation number 4 and 5 after differentiation with respect to y and x. Okay. Here du is a perfect differential. Du is a perfect differential. So therefore we can write del square u by del x del y is equals to del square u by del y del x, means we can equal. So this is the del y into del x and this is del x into del y becomes same. So therefore these both the equation have the same, means we can write this total equation, that is firstly we write equation 4 del t by del y. First equation, that is del t by del y into x, that is into del s by del x. Firstly write equation this, that is del t by del y with x into del s by del y into y plus t into del square s by del x del y minus del p by del y with x into del v by del x into y minus p into del square v by del x del y into y, and is equal to this equation, that is del t by del x into y del s by del y into x plus t into del square s by del y del x into x minus del p by del x into y and del v by del y with constant x minus p del square v by del y del x with constant x. So here ds and dv are also perfect differential. ds and dv are also perfect differential. Therefore del s del square s by del x del y is equals to del square s by del y del x and del square v by del x del y is also equal with the del square v by del y del x. So therefore this term and this term becomes same. So that's why cancel this term because same term, and this del p del square v and del square v be the same term. Okay, then the remaining terms, as we write, remaining term is the remaining term, that is del t by del y at constant x into del s by del y at constant y minus del p by del y at constant x into del v by del x at constant y is equal to del t by del x at constant y into del s by del y at constant x minus del p by del x at constant y into del v by del y at constant x. So this is the remaining term, and this is the equation number 7. So this equation number 7 is known as the general expression for the maximum thermodynamic relations. So this is the general expression for the Maxwell thermodynamic equation. So by using this equation number 7, we can calculate Maxwell 4 equation, first equation, second equation, third equation and fourth equation. So which we'll discuss in the next class. Thank you.